Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to if you're new here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on all things motorcycles, reviews, and gear. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated bikes of 2026, the Hero Karizma XMR 250. So, let's dive straight into. Now, if you're a motorcycle enthusiast, especially if you've been following the Hero Karizma series, you know that the brand has always been known for delivering a perfect balance between performance and style. The Karizma has been an iconic motorcycle in India and abroad, with riders associating it with everything from aggressive power to long-distance comfort. But in 2026, Hero has taken it up a notch with the new Karizma XMR 250. The XMR 250 isn't just a rehash of its predecessors, it's a complete overhaul that promises to shake up the 250cc segment. We're talking about a new design, a new engine, and new features that you'll definitely want to know about. So, in today's video, we'll take an in-depth look at the Hero Karizma XMR 250, from its design and performance to what you can expect when it hits the streets. Let's start with the most obvious aspect: the design. The Karizma XMR 250 comes with a sleek and modern look that is bound to turn heads wherever you go. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive front end, which features a completely redesigned headlamp. Hero has gone for a more sharp, angular look, with LED daytime running lights, DRLs, surrounding the central LED headlight. This gives the bike a futuristic, bold appearance, especially when you look at it head-on. Moving to the side, the bodywork has been sculpted to give it a more aerodynamic and aggressive stance. The fuel tank is larger than the previous models, offering a more muscular profile while ensuring better ergonomics for long rides. The side panels are compact and designed to reduce drag, which not only enhances the bike's look but also improves its performance. One of the key highlights of the Karizma XMR 250 is the inclusion of a split seat. The rider's seat is designed for better comfort, especially during longer rides, while the pillion seat has also been adjusted to accommodate two people comfortably without compromising on aesthetics. In terms of colors, Hero offers several variants, including matte black, metallic red, and the classic white with contrasting black highlights. These colors really bring out the bike's modern, aggressive vibe, and no matter which one you pick, it's guaranteed to make an impression. Now let's talk about what really matters: the engine and the performance. The 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 is powered by a completely new 250cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that is designed to provide a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The engine produces around 27 to 28 horsepower, making it a significant upgrade from the previous Karizma models. Hero has focused on giving the XMR 250 the right amount of grunt for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, and the power delivery is smooth, which means you won't be feeling any sudden jerks or hesitation while riding. Whether you're zipping through traffic or opening it up on the highways, the engine provides linear power output, ensuring a comfortable yet thrilling ride. What's really interesting about the engine is its refinement. With the new Hero Karizma XMR 250, the brand has incorporated advanced technologies like an oil cooler and an advanced fuel injection system. This helps in improving the engine's fuel efficiency and lowers engine temperatures, even during long rides or high-stress situations. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the Karizma XMR 250 delivers around 30 to 35 kilometers per liter, making it an economical option for daily commuting and long-distance touring. If you're someone who values both power and efficiency, this bike hits the sweet spot. Next up, let's talk about how the Karizma XMR 250 handles. Now, Hero has always been known for making bikes that are comfortable yet capable in terms of handling, and the XMR 250 is no exception. The bike is built on a steel perimeter frame, which provides a strong and stable foundation. This frame, combined with a suspension setup that includes telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, ensures a smooth ride over various types of terrain. Whether you're taking it out for a weekend ride on winding roads or you're stuck in traffic, the handling is responsive. The 17-inch alloy wheels, paired with a good set of tires, provide excellent grip on both dry and wet roads. And let's not forget the braking system. The XMR 250 comes equipped with a front and rear disc brake setup, which is further enhanced with dual-channel ABS for added safety. This gives you more confidence when you're braking hard, especially during emergency situations. One of the things that impressed me the most is the ergonomics of the bike. The rider triangle has been fine-tuned for a more comfortable riding position. Whether you're commuting or going on a longer ride, the XMR 250 won't tire you out. The seat is plush, and the handlebars are perfectly positioned, making it a bike that you can ride for hours without feeling uncomfortable. Now, let's take a look at the tech and features that come with the Karizma XMR 250. Hero has packed this bike with a lot of modern features, which make it stand out in the 250cc segment. First off, we've got a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the information you need in one glance. You've got your speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, gear position, indicator, and even a trip meter, all displayed in a clear, easy-to-read format. What's more, the bike also offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your smartphone with the bike. This means you can receive call and message notifications directly on the screen, as well as access turn-by-turn navigation on the go. Another cool feature is the integrated riding modes. The Karizma XMR 250 offers 3 different riding modes: Eco, City, and Sport. The Eco mode helps maximize fuel efficiency, while the City mode is ideal for daily commuting, and the Sport mode gives you that extra performance boost when you're out on the open roads. It's a simple yet effective system that gives you more control over the riding experience. Additionally, Hero has added a smart key fob system for keyless entry and ignition, and an automatic headlamp on/off function, ensuring convenience and safety. These features bring a premium touch to the bike, making it feel much more modern and user-friendly. Now, let's get to the all-important topic, pricing. While we're still waiting for Hero to officially announce the price in India and other markets, it's safe to say that the Karizma XMR 250 will be priced competitively in the 250cc segment. Based on the features and specifications, I expect the price to fall somewhere between Rs 1.80 lakh to Rs 2.20 lakh, which would make it a strong competitor against other bikes in its class, such as the Yamaha R15 V4 and the KTM Duke 250. So, should you buy the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250? If you're someone who's looking for a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed bike for daily commuting, as well as occasional weekend rides, the Karizma XMR 250 might just be the perfect choice for you. Hero has definitely raised the bar with this one, and it's going to be interesting to see how it performs on the roads once it hits the market. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think Hero has what it takes to dominate the 250cc segment with this new Karizma? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, hit that bell icon so you stay updated on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ride safe, stay awesome, and keep exploring. See you in the next one.